name is Jabir. I am a student of JPS Jharkhand Primary School, Sonajari Bred. Today I am going to translate the Surah Fatiha. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek Allah from the wicked devil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the world. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. The compassionate, the merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. Master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ya Allah, we worship and upon you we for help. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Guide us along the straight path. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. The path of those you have blessed. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Not of those with anger on them, nor of the misguided. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation, and wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.